eat Chick-fil-A and Chinese food with me. So from Chick-fil-A, I got an ice cream cone flipped over in a cup, small fries, the kids meal, 5-piece nuggets, and then I got the dragon fruit tea lemonade. I had it yesterday, and oh my god! Went to the next bag. Hmm. Oh, please. Hmm. Eat, eat. I love her. I'm putting in the caption. Her name Hot Girl. Mm. Her name's something on here. I don't want to get it wrong. But she's so funny. But I don't watch her videos. She's so funny. I always do that. Blow ice cream. Mm. Is it only me? Am I the only person that gets throat freezes? Mm. If you don't know what these is, oh, oh, how you're missing out. Or chochos. This is how they look. Mm. That's how the inside looks. They're not fresh at all. What's that my girl do? It's alright. Cause I ain't gonna eat all these anymore. I definitely was planning on warming them up anyways. Mm. And that crunch on it. Mm. Ask for a fortune cookie. You will become known for your generosity. I know that's right. Amen. Okay. This we're gonna dip it into our ice cream. Oh. Ooh, that's good. That's good. And these fortune tellers be so good. And with ice cream, just imagine. Mm. Mm. But mm. This ice cream cold as fuck. What the hell? But this ice cream colder than usual. Like what the fuck? I thought the soda really was this lemonade. This is really why I went to Chick-fil-A because I wanted this lemonade. And I'm like, ooh, I'm really craving nuggets. And I'm like, ooh, if I get nuggets, I gotta get fries. And I'm like, okay, I don't really gotta get that many nuggets. I can just give me a little chip. gotta have, and you know, I got the kids meal, so it came with the ice cream cone. I was like, and then forget. And I was really craving on Totos, and I'm like, I know I'm not gonna eat all the Totos. I'm gonna have them for later.